Hello everyone, make sure you subscribe to the channel, check the links in the description for the best deals on all the products featured, and leave a comment sharing your thoughts or experiences with any of these headrest video systems. Now let's get started. If you've ever taken a long road trip with kids or passengers who get bored fast, you already know how quickly a peaceful drive can turn into non-stop complaints, distractions, and constant "are we there yet" moments. That's exactly why car headrest video players have become such an essential upgrade. In this video, I'm counting down the best car headrest video options available right now, showing you which ones deliver the best screen quality, features, and overall value to keep everyone entertained and your drive stress-free. We start at number 5 with the WONNIE 10.5-inch 2 DVD players dual screen for car portable CD player. This system features 2 matching 10.5-inch HD LCD screens that can play the same movie or 2 different movies at the same time thanks to its dual DVD player setup. It supports DVD, CD, USB, and SD card playback, giving users multiple ways to load content. The built-in rechargeable battery offers several hours of playtime, while the included car charger ensures continuous use on longer trips. The system also comes with dual stereo speakers, a headphone jack for private listening, adjustable headrest mounting straps, and a last memory function that resumes playback where it left off. What makes the WONNIE dual-screen system stand out is its flexibility and convenience for families with multiple passengers who want individual viewing options. It is especially well-suited for siblings who want to watch different movies without arguing, and the large screens provide clear visuals even from a distance. Setup is straightforward, and the ability to share playback across screens adds extra value. The only minor drawback is that it relies on physical media for full functionality, but it is still an excellent entertainment solution. At number 4 is the FANGOR 7.5-inch dual-car DVD player. This unit includes 2 7.5-inch screens designed for compact vehicles or tighter backseat spaces. It supports DVD, CD, USB, and SD card formats and allows synchronized playback between screens through a simple AV cable connection. The built-in dual speakers provide clear audio, and the system supports both wired and wireless headphone connections for quiet viewing. It includes adjustable mounting brackets, a remote control, and a car power adapter for extended trips. The FANGOR dual DVD player is a great choice for families who want a reliable and space-saving entertainment option. Its smaller screen size makes it ideal for younger kids or compact cars, and the playback quality remains smooth and consistent. It is easy to install and remove, making it suitable for occasional travelers. The only small downside is that the screens are smaller than premium models, but the affordability and reliability make it worth buying. Coming in at number 3 is the Arafuna 12.5-inch portable DVD player for car. This model features a large 12.5-inch HD swivel screen with a 270-degree rotation and 180-degree flip, allowing for flexible viewing angles. It supports DVD, CD, USB, and SD card formats, and includes dual stereo speakers with adjustable volume control. The built-in rechargeable battery provides extended playback time, and it includes both AC and car chargers. The unit also supports last memory playback and comes with a headrest mounting bracket for secure installation. The Arafuna portable DVD player stands out because of its large screen and versatile viewing angles, making it perfect for families who want a theater-like experience in the back seat. It works especially well for single-screen setups where multiple passengers can watch together. The display is bright and immersive, and the swivel design makes it adaptable to different seating positions. The only minor drawback is that it does not offer wireless screen sharing, but its screen quality and ease of use still make it a strong option. At number 2 is the Apenet wireless CarPlay screen. This modern headrest-style entertainment solution features a large touchscreen display designed to support wireless CarPlay and Android Auto functionality. It allows users to stream content, access navigation apps, and mirror smartphones without cables. The system includes built-in speakers, Bluetooth connectivity, USB ports, and support for video streaming apps depending on the connected device. Its adjustable mounting system allows compatibility with a wide range of vehicle headrests, and it is powered through the vehicle's power source. What makes the Apenet wireless CarPlay screen special is its smart connectivity and modern design, making it ideal for tech-savvy users who want streaming access rather than DVDs. It is best suited for families who rely on smartphones for entertainment and want seamless app integration in the back seat. The interface is smooth, responsive, and easy to navigate. The only small downside is that it depends heavily on phone connectivity, but for modern users, it is absolutely worth it. Finally, taking the number one spot is the TFY Universal Car Headrest Video Player. This unit features a large HD display designed for universal compatibility across most vehicle headrests. It supports USB input, SD cards, and HDMI connections, allowing users to play movies, videos, and mirrored content from external devices. The screen offers adjustable tilt angles for optimal viewing, while the built-in speakers and headphone jack provide flexible audio options. The durable mounting system ensures stability during long drives, and the device is powered through a car adapter. The TFY Universal Car Headrest Video Player earns the top spot because of its versatility, wide compatibility, and ease of use. It is perfect for families who want a future-proof entertainment system that works with multiple media sources and devices. The screen quality is excellent, installation is quick, and it adapts well to different vehicle types. The only minor drawback is that it requires external media or devices, but its flexibility makes it the best overall choice. That wraps up our countdown of the best car headrest video players available right now. Before you go, make sure you subscribe to the channel, check the links in the description for the best deals on all the products we covered, and leave a comment letting us know which one you think is the best fit for your car. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.